Hey, friend. Yeah, don't look at my hair. Hey, hey, friends. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead. Well, it's Mother's Day weekend, and my kids are going to be here. So it's Friday night. I want to make their favorite dinner from when they were kids. Chicken and rice. But all I've done, and I'm using my phone because Daddy's got my camera outside. He's painting his doodads on the coach. What I have here is just 6 legs, fresh with the backs attached. And all I've done is shook them up with some flour and some seasoned salt. That's all. And these are going to go into the oven at 375 degrees for 20 minutes uncovered. Now I have a wire rack in the bottom for a reason, because I'm going to be taking the chicken out and putting all the rest of the stuff in, and I don't want the chicken sticking to the bottom. You are going to need to cover this later on, so make sure it's a pan you have a cover for. Now for my broth, I am using 1 liter or 4 cups of organic beef broth, only because I don't have any chicken on hand. You're going to need, now I am using a lot of dehydrated ingredients. I've got 4 cups of broth, so I'm going to need 2 cups of dry ingredients. So what I have here is approximately 1.5 cups of rice, and I have dehydrated green and yellow beans, dehydrated celery, and dehydrated carrots. And in total, this comes up to just a little over 2 cups. And to this, I'll add a couple of chopped onions. Okay, so here's the chicken. It's not quite cooked, but I've put it in there. I wanted it nicely browned up. Here I've got this on a burner, and I'm leaving the chicken fat and everything in. Why? For flavor. Pour in our 4 cups of broth. Hi guys. Hi. I'm going to pour in our 4 cups of organic beef broth. Hi guys. Hi. And here is our rice and our dehydrated veggies. Okay, Arthur, will you go into the pantry and get me a carton of beef broth?
That looks beautiful.
It's going to be wonderful.
We brought a pepper. I didn't know if you had made
what?
Just a red pepper. I didn't know if you had made the lasagna or not.
Oh, no, so it's all ready to go.
Okay.
There's 2 more cups of rice. They're not that strong. Oh. And another 4 cups of broth, just because I got the nod from the boys that, yes, Mommy, we want lots.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now this is on, the burner is on, heating up the broth. And we're now just going to put our par-cooked chicken back in. He's out working on the coach.
Oh, I'm going to go talk to him.
Okay.
Move it.
And there we go. Just like this. I normally wouldn't have this much juice, folks, but you know. And so I'm just going to drop the rest of this juice back in here. And now we cover and we cook at 375 for another 40 minutes. Okay, kids, the moment of truth. Here, Mel. It's been a long time since I've made chicken and rice.
I don't know if any such
Ooh. I threw some beans in. They may at the end, but... Oh. It's been a while, eh, dear?
It's been a long time.
Awesome. Thank you, dear. And there you have it. Everybody else loves it too. I'm just going to do them the courtesy of not putting them on camera.
I love it.
Thank you, Briar. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying classic chicken and rice. It's been a favorite in our household since the kids could chew. Take care. God bless.